Salsa is easy to make and is a perfect snack. You will need the following items: 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, 2 limes, 2 cloves of garlic, half of an onion, 2 to 4 jalapenos, half a bag of cilantro, and tortilla chips. First, open the cans and pour them into the blender. Next, get both of the limes and cut them in half. Then, squeeze the limes into the blender. Then, peel the garlic and get 2 cloves out of the garlic.
I am Dracula.
Once you peel the garlic, cut them into pieces and put them in the blender. You then need an onion, and since you'll only be using half the onion, cut it in half, then dice it some more. Make sure you cut off the stem, that way it won't get in your food.
Duh.
Watch out, the onion might make you cry.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
3 hours later.
Once you're done cutting the onion, put it all in the blender. Also, get a bag of cilantro and put half of it into the blender. Last but not least, the spicy part. 2 jalapenos, cut them in half and scrape out the insides. Again, be sure to cut off the stem.
Duh.
You'll need a spoon to scrape out the inside. Once you have all the insides scraped out, cut them and dice them into little pieces and put them all in the blender. Now that you have all the ingredients inside the blender, all you have to do is blend it. Before you start blending, put the lid on. Put it on blend and just let it go. Now that it's blended, you've got yourselves some salsa. Pour your salsa into a bowl and enjoy.
Nice.